This is the projectable table. There's a projector that is above on the ceiling. We have a second monitor, and the projection is displayed onto this table. These pucks are controlled by augmented reality markers that can be viewed through this transparent plastic by two cameras underneath. And this is we can look at the cameras this way, and you see as I move it around, it can detect the corners and the rotations. So I'll start up using a woggle. We have currently 3 different maps that we use with the State Energy Department. Okay. Turn off the lights. So each puck does a different thing. For instance, this puck controls the adding and removing of layers. If you rotate it, you can make adjustments to the tracking as well. And this puck here, this one controls which layer is going to be added next. So you see that connected. So if I change to this one, it changes to that one. This one is, we're currently going to print another one for it. This is the year selector. So this one, as you turn it, changes the year through time, and as the year changes, these charts also change. You can see there's another one up here. And finally, this one rotates through scenarios. So we currently have 3 scenarios that are built into this plan, and we can cycle through them, and each one has different data. We can change the maps these easily. So we have to adjust the way that it lines up. So let me show you how it works. This layer, for instance, will load the transmission lines, and when I turn it, the legend comes up, and then it puts the layer on top of the map. We have the second screen here. Most of this data is just placeholder for now. We just have an image of which layer and a sample chart, and the year does change. So you see, if I change the year, it goes and changes there. Some of these layers are connected to the year. For instance, if I turn on the solar layer, you see the solar layer has some areas that are white and some areas that are red, and the red areas, or the orange areas, sorry, are the ones that show the land use that would have to be used by the specific year, and the white areas show land that could be used for building solar. So as I change the year, let me go up a little higher here. You start to see it filling in. There we go. Some of these don't have a lot of change until later on. So if I get to 2045, there's a big change. And so that's the idea. And so it's customizable in the idea that we can build different layers, and so for instance, when we use Maui or the Big Island, there's a different set of layers that we use.